Identifying the author's purpose of a text. Right. When you get ready and end with the video. Agenda. Warm-up, objectives, types of essay/text, pie chart, checklist, examples, exercise, sorting activity, wrap-up. So we're going to do a KWL chart for the warm-up, and you need to have some materials, and Amrita will now share what materials you need. Please take out a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Let's get started. So, take your piece of paper and divide it in 3 columns, like shown in the slide. The K is what you already know about the topic. W, what you want to know about this topic. And the L is what you have learned from this lesson. Please make sure to only fill out the K and the W of the chart, because we're going to do the L for the wrap-up. You should fill out on what you know and what you want to know about identifying the author's purpose in the text. You have 30 seconds. Go. Okay, so the timer is up. Now it's time to share your charts. If you didn't have enough time, please pause the video. Okay, we hope you paused the video if you didn't have enough time. So you're going to share your chart by writing in the comments what you put for the K and the W. Once we finish the wrap-up, then you can put in the L. Objectives. Students will be able to identify the main purpose of a text. Students will be able to show their understanding by following along with the activities. Okay, so the 3 types of text are the informative text, which informs the reader about information and teaches them something new. Persuading text, which persuades the reader to buy something, sell something, or do something. And lastly, entertaining text, which entertains the reader with action and fiction, which means that it's usually not real. Author's purpose pie chart. So this is another way to remember. P for pie stands for persuasive text. The author tries to persuade you into buying something or doing something. Examples are like commercials, billboards, advertisements, sales, opinions, and persuasion. I, it's informative text from the pie. The author gives you information based on facts and nonfiction. Examples, documents, nonfiction, and information. E, entertaining text. The author tries to entertain you using fiction and action. Examples, comics/jokes, fiction, novels, mystery, action/adventure, and romance. And here's a checklist, another way to remember. Like if you read a paragraph and you don't understand, use these checklists. If it says any of these and gives facts, has real information, and gives examples, it probably is an informative text. Not a true story most of the time. Fun to read, makes you happy to read, is an entertaining text. Persuading text gives offers related to sales, telling you to do something, is usually a persuading text. Do you still need help in identifying the author's purpose? Use these checklists. So some examples for the pie is, for informative example, is pigs make a huge mess, but they're very nice and good. Basically, informative, as I said before, is usually non-fiction. Persuasive is, you should buy the best laptop of all time. Click here now. So persuasive is usually sales, as stated before. And then lastly, entertaining text. The ghost son said boo, which scared Lorelai so much. So entertaining text should usually entertain, as said in the word. Exercise. Solve it on your own. I will read this paragraph, and you need to pause the video or take the 30 seconds and figure out the answer. Today is Valentine's Day. Johnny is excited because he gets to deliver Valentines to all his friends. First, he puts the Valentine's cards in his bag. He jumps on his scooter and goes to Jill's house. After that, Johnny delivers cards to Ben, Jane, Patrick, Jesse, and Clara.
So is the text informative text, persuasive text, or entertaining text?
Please pause the video and solve it on your
Time is up. If you didn't have enough time, please pause the video now and finish up. So we're going to go over the answer now. So the exercise answer is C, entertaining text. So this is the explanation. It's entertaining text because the text doesn't inform. It's not nonfiction, as you can see. And the text doesn't persuade the reader. It doesn't have any sales or any kind of commercials or anything inside. But it does entertain the reader, and it is a fiction text, which are the key highlights of entertaining text. So now we're going to do a starting activity. So I'm going to read a title of a book, and then you have to think about whether it's persuading text, informative text, or entertaining text.
You can pause the video if needed.
So the first one is Sally the Singing Pig. Is it persuading, informative, or entertaining? It's entertaining text. So the reason for entertaining text is because it's fiction work and does not persuade you to do anything. The next title is called All About Lions. Persuading, informative, or entertaining?
Pause the video.
It's informative. This is a non-fiction work and it's not persuading you to do something through sales. My Teacher is a Spy. Persuading, informative, or entertaining?
Pause the video.
It's entertaining. This is a fiction work and does not persuade you to do something in the title. State facts. This is a non-fiction work and does not persuade you to do something. Our shoes will make you run faster.
Pause the video.
This is a sales motto and it's therefore persuading the reader to buy the product. So therefore it's persuading text.
One more to go.
Cats are the best. So this isn't really a sales motto, but it is still in persuading text because it's giving an opinion about what the reader thinks about it. Nice job, we finished everything.
Wrap up time. So now you filled out the K and the W. Now you just need to fill out the L. We're going to put a 30-second timer. If that's not enough, please pause the video.
T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds.
So that's the timer. We hope you finished doing it, but if not, pause video.
T-minus 30 seconds.
So now you can share your chart. As we said before in the warm-up, please put it in the comments below for your L. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please post in the comments, and we hope you enjoy this lesson a lot. Signing off, Mayuka Reddy and
Aaron the Vadery.